What I wish I knew before calling the mechanic. Your Ford Ranger's Ford WD not engaging might be easier to fix than you think. Let's break it down. First, make sure your Ranger is in neutral or park. Many Ford WD systems won't engage if you're in drive. Next, listen for a click or whirring sound when you turn the Ford WD switch. No sound? It could be an electrical problem or a blown fuse. Check your owner's manual and inspect the Ford WD fuse under the dash or hood. Now look at the dashboard. Does the Ford WD light come on? If not, the switch or the wiring could be faulty. If the light come on but you're still stuck in 2WD, check your front hubs. Many Rangers use vacuum-actuated hubs. Cracked or loose vacuum lines can prevent them from locking in. Inspect the lines for any obvious damage or disconnections. Also, listen for grinding or clunking noises. That could mean there's a mechanical issue in the transfer case or differential. Still stuck? Sometimes simply reversing slowly for a few feet can help the system engage, especially if it's been a while since you used 4WD. If none of these steps work, it's time to get professional help. But now, you know what to look for, and maybe save yourself a trip to the shop. Good luck.